Have you been searching for a smart grow tent that actually lives up to the hype? Something built to last, performs flawlessly, and truly gives you value for every dollar spent? Well, you're in the right place. You are watching Review the Best Buy, where we dig deep into real product performance so you can make smarter and more confident choices. In today's countdown, I'll be showcasing the top 5 best smart grow tents you can get right now, comparing their features, build quality, ease of use, and genuine pros and cons that most reviews never tell you. Whether you're watching from anywhere across the world, this review is made to help you find the one that perfectly fits your needs and budget. So stay tuned till the very end because our number one pick might just surprise you. And as always, all the latest prices and official links are waiting for you down below in the description box. Now let's jump straight into the list and find out which one truly deserves to be called Review the Best Buy. Starting off our list strong, at number 5, we've got a product that perfectly blends quality with affordability. Number 5. Growtent Garden 4 into 2 feet hydroponic grow tent with observation window and floor tray for indoor plant growing. At number 5, let's find out why it's becoming a favorite among smart shoppers. Create the ideal indoor garden with the Growtent Garden 4 into 2 feet hydroponic grow tent, a durable and efficient solution for growing plants, flowers, fruits, and vegetables year-round. Measuring 48 into 24 into 60 inches, this tent features a high reflectivity polyester film interior that maximizes your lighting setup for healthier, faster plant growth. The sturdy metal frame and heavy-duty zippers with double stitching ensure long-lasting durability and a secure environment for your plants. A built-in observation window allows for quick monitoring without disturbing internal conditions, while the included floor tray helps keep your grow area clean and manageable. Designed for easy, tool-free assembly, this tent is perfect for closets, balconies, basements, or any indoor space. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned grower, the Grow Tent Garden makes it simple to maintain the right temperature and light conditions for optimal plant development. Compact, efficient, and reliable, this is one of the best smart grow tents for home-based hydroponic growing. Moving on to number 4, this one brings some real innovation to the table. Number 4. MELONFARM 2 into 2 grow tent with observation window and floor tray for hydroponic indoor plant growing. Coming in at number 4, we have a solid performer that delivers beyond expectations. Discover the perfect solution for compact indoor gardening with the MELONFARM 2 into 2 grow tent, designed for efficiency, durability, and ease of use. Measuring 24 into 24 into 48 inches, this hydroponic grow tent features a highly reflective waterproof polyester lining and double-stitched 600D canvas, ensuring maximum light retention and tear resistance. It maintains optimal heat and humidity, providing your plants with a stable, controlled environment for healthy growth. Tent includes double transparent observation windows for quick plant checks, a heavy-duty zipper door for easy access, and a convenient storage bag for your gardening tools. With its tool-free, beginner-friendly setup, you can build your indoor grow space in just minutes. Ideal for growing herbs, vegetables, fruits, and flowers, it fits perfectly in closets, balconies, or basements. Whether you're new to indoor gardening or a seasoned grower, this is one of the best smart grow tents for creating a thriving mini greenhouse right at home, efficient, reliable, and built for results. Now, stepping into the top 3, things are getting even more interesting. Number 3. Spider Farmer EVO Grow Tent Kit Complete System Set 4 inches ventilation with GGS Smart Controller and 6 inches clip fan. At number 3, it's striking the perfect balance between style, performance, and price. Unlock peak indoor gardening performance with the Spider Farmer EVO Grow Tent Kit, a complete all-in-one system designed for maximum yield and efficiency. Featuring cutting-edge Samsung LM301H EVO LEDs, this setup delivers industry-leading 3.14 moles or JPPE per diode, enhancing plant growth with a powerful blue spectrum, all in a silent, fanless design. The included GGS Smart Controller integrates seamlessly with temp, humidity, and light sensors, allowing full control via app or manual settings. Customize lighting, fan speed, grow cycles, and airflow for the perfect growing environment. The durable grow tent includes a 100% reflective mylar interior, heavy-duty 1680D Oxford exterior, SBS zippers, and a waterproof tray for hassle-free maintenance. The 4 inches inline fan with a carbon filter ensures quiet yet effective ventilation, while the 6 inches clip fan provides targeted air circulation across 10 speed levels. Pre-matched, easy to install, and beginner-friendly, this is one of the best Smart Grow tent kits for growers who want pro-level results right out of the box. We're almost at the top, and this next one could easily have been number 1 for many users. Number 2. AC Infinity Advanced Grow Tent Lab-Tested Highest Reflectivity, Largest Zipper Window Controller Mount Plate. Taking the runner-up spot at number 2, it stands out for its premium build and next-level reliability. Experience the pinnacle of indoor gardening with the AC Infinity Advanced Grow Tent, engineered for serious growers seeking premium performance. Built with ultra-durable 1-inch steel poles and ultra-thick 2000D canvas, this tent is made to withstand heavy setups while providing exceptional light containment. Its re-engineered Mylar interior delivers lab-tested, industry-best reflectivity, maximizing your growth light efficiency. The oversized zipper windows offer a clear, climate-controlled view of your plants, while SBS zippers ensure smooth, reliable access. Featuring a unique controller mount plate with a light-proof cable pass-through and multiple duct ports for A or CS, humidifiers, and heaters, this tent is as smart as it is sturdy. Extra hanging bars, reinforced corners, and a heavy-duty catch tray add durability and convenience. With a 48x24x72 inches frame and 4 plant capacity, it's optimized for tight spaces without sacrificing height. Whether you're a hobbyist or a pro, this is one of the best Smart Grow tents for clean, efficient, and high-yield indoor cultivation. And finally, the moment you've been waiting for. The absolute best among all. Number 1. Vivison Grow Tent High Reflective Mylar with Observation Window and Floor Tray for Hydroponics Indoor Plant. At number 1, the crown goes to unmatched in performance, value, and user satisfaction. Discover the Vivison Grow Tent, a high-performance indoor gardening solution crafted for serious plant enthusiasts. Designed with a 600D Oxford canvas exterior and 100% reflective Mylar interior, this tent ensures maximum light retention and energy efficiency. Its robust metal frame supports up to 100 pounds, perfect for hydroponic setups and grow lights. The built-in observation window lets you check on your plants without disrupting their environment, while the removable floor tray simplifies cleaning. With easy tool-free assembly, smooth zippers, and versatile duct and cable ports, the Vivison tent offers both convenience and functionality. Extra thick, tear-resistant fabric and double-stitched seams guarantee long-lasting durability. Whether you're setting up in your garage, balcony, or closet, this grow tent adapts to your space. Ideal for beginners and seasoned growers alike, it comes with thoughtful features like hanging straps and an internal tool organizer to streamline your setup. Optimize your indoor gardening with one of the best Smart Grow tents on the market today. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best products you can check out right now. I hope this video helps you get a clearer idea of which option truly delivers the best value for your needs and budget. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more top 5 reviews, detailed comparisons, and practical buying guides every single week. And of course, turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our upcoming videos featuring the latest and most trusted products across tech, home, and lifestyle. All the official links and updated prices are available in the description box below, so make sure to check them out if you're ready to upgrade your next purchase. Thanks a lot for watching. Review the Best Buy, and I'll see you in the next one where we help you buy smart and live better.